Hi, today I'm reviewing Xiaomi 12 Lite and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. You will see notification sound. Now it's dropless. Just let's click here. Here we can select the new notifications, just the online ones, so you should be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or another mobile data. And now we can just select these ringtones or just to so you just should select one from these available online sounds or just watch ringtones to profile. Tap to ringtones and select one from these available sounds. Then just click here to apply, click to OK. We can see that this sounds applied successfully. So let's go back to the sounds section and we can see that we just successfully changed notification sound to alarm clock. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.